visiem mācot Avidijāns, jūs esat uz kanāla Adiens.lv. Kārli, mēs pateikt, lai skatās reģios un klipiņš, un jūs esat Avidijāns Stakauskis. Jā. Ja kaut kāds skatās šo klipiņu, apskaties pēc šim klipiņu. Man būs vēl klipiņi, komentūros paskaties, ko jūs vēl gribat. Tagad mēs klausāmies dziesmas. Jā, man ir dziesma uz datoru. Es uz datoru slēgt nesēšu, es arī uzrakstiet. Es arī varat rakstīt Adiens.lv. Tas būs kāds filmēšana no telefona, tikai man būs cits kanāls. Lauras Bātēs, ka tas ir telefons. Vispār bija manas mammas telefons. Man sauc Laura, uzvārds Bātēs. Un mans vecā Adiens uzvārds Stakauskis. Uzrakstiet to ir Adiens Stakauskis. Mēs visi būs skatībā, jūs būsiet vislabākie. Un nolieciet abonetu un laikojiet mans klipiņš. Ceru, ka jums ir viss kārtībā. Redstone Active, es patīk šitā dziesma Redstone Active. Minecraft Songs. Nezinu, kā pateikt, tas nav sanglīts. Redstone Active. Es tāpat negribu skatīt, jūs tāpat klausīsieties. Ja. Steve joined the game.
And suddenly, how can it be? A force appears right before my eyes. He swings his sword.
Es tagad klausāties, dziesmas, un, jūs klausāties tagad dziesmas, tas klipiņš, ko es tagad varu izdarīt, redz, kāpēc jūs tiesties pie dators, es vēl nākošu klipiņu, es izdarīšu spēli, man nevajag komentēt tiem klipiņam, pēc šim jūs klipiņam vai otrajam varētu pateikt, ko jūs gribat, lai es nākošais daru, redz, ka izdarat to visu, un nolieciet laiku!
I raise my pick, put on my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. I'll paint them red, the fight is on. Whoa. Here I come, back from gone, but once again thrown back to spawn. This is it, I've had enough. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my veins, going back for my remains. Welcome to the new stage, welcome to the new stage, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm Redstone Active, whoa, whoa, I'm Redstone Active. All systems up, the hope hasn't gone. Deep in my heart, revenge dwells inside. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new stage, welcome to the new stage, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm Redstone Active, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm Redstone Active.
Visas dziesmas beigušās, nav beigušās. Vēl liels dziesmas, jo šīs ir tā kā pēc kārtas šādi. Tā kā automātiski pārslēdzās. Vai jūs vienkārši šīs beigsies, un tad mēs būsim vislabākie. Klausieties dziesmas, un jūs varēsiet vinēt neko. Vai, es tevis klausieties dziesmas valcas, vai man visu to. Klausieties.
This could have been house with no sword to defend myself from skeletons, but I won't give up yet. I'll find some trees, grab some tools, building my shack and giving that Ender Dragon a rain check. Griefing won't get me down. This will be an even bigger town. 'Cause after all, I'm gonna know like Minecraft man. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get some resources, stone, wood and brick. Grab my pick, build all day and mine all night. Now don't you understand that I love building this Minecraft land? So this is where I died, to that creeper I despised. That path back home runs through miles of pigman hell. I jump back through my portal, wielded my diamond sword and gave the Ender Dragon a rain check. Losing my shelter won't get me down. This will be an even bigger town. 'Cause after all, I'm gonna know like Minecraft man. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get some resources, stone, wood and brick. Grab my pick, build all day and mine all night. Now don't you understand that I love building this Minecraft land? It's time to begin, isn't it? I get some resources, stone, wood and brick. Grab my pick, build all day and mine all night. Now don't you understand that I love building this Minecraft land? This path never looks so lonely. This creeper won't explode slowly. It flashes, it flashes. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get some resources, stone, wood and brick. Grab my pick, build all day and mine all night. Now don't you understand that I love building this Minecraft land? It's time to begin, isn't it? I get some resources, stone, wood and brick. Grab my pick, build all day and mine all night. Now don't you understand that I love building this Minecraft land?
Šī diena beigās sagatavoties nākošajai dienai, apskatīsies, kā viņu sauc. Fly for your life. A Minecraft parody of Don't Stop. Pagad, ekutēties.
Night when the sun's gone down, all seems quiet, but that's a lie.
Šo dziesmu neklausīsimies, uzlieksim New World, a Minecraft parody of Coldplay's Parodies music video.
First I opened my eyes, then I felt such a strange breeze. I had traveled to a world made of blocks, totally unbeknownst to me. When you play Minecraft, Minecraft, Minecraft. Oh.
dziesma par skaļu.
There were roses, mountains, and a
This
big
Minecraft
blue
player.
sea. Even trees as far as the eye could see. How'd this happen? Why am I here? What's my purpose in this place? Who's that coming? What am I hearing? As the night approaches, I should go and hide. There's all sorts of creatures run with all my might. When you play Minecraft,
Just chillin'.
And our international Minecraft sales are over 10 million copies. If you don't own this game yet, you probably should.
Mr. Steve, what does this mean for those without Minecraft?
Well, they're missing out.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yo, this one right here is for the epic mod makers, the awesome map creators, the redstone abusers, the ones that chose to be tubers, for all the griefing kids and hermit outcasts, Mojangsters, this one's for you.
We are the ones who play Minecraft and tell us how to play our game. 10 million strong, we're all playing our own way. Thank you for making a game where no one plays the same. Thank you for stealing years of our lives. Thank you for endless worlds to survive. Thank you for mobs that come out of the night, but I'll be fine. Yeah, this world is mine, yeah.
Thank you for the time we woke to the smell of burning oak. Those griefers made us frown as our house burnt to the ground. But we built our pillars high, right through that amber sky. And when they said you mad, we said nah man, you then.
We are the ones who play
Mēs visi gribam Minecraft spēlēt, tā kā mēs gribam, tā kā mums patīk, tā kā mēs mākam. Un visu mēs izdarīsim tā, kā viņi teica. Mums patīk, ka mēs nomirstam. Un mēs sakam paldies. Mums pa visu patīk. Visi sakam paldies. Paldies, ka iedevi mums lietu noteikumu. Tad mums nevajag noteikumus. Tas vienalga. Ejam uz kreatīvu. Mēs taicam lietas tā, kā mēs gribam. Darām tā, kā gribam. Spēlējam tā, kā gribam. Visi spēlē savādāk. Un redz, ko mums visiem tas jādara. Jā! Visi skatieties, ko es varu. Mēs esam vislabākie, vislabākie. Labi, tā visiem. Ejam citreiz.